This is a case of neuroblastoma. Neuroblastoma, but the stage is metastatic. It's very sad news. The case of metastatic neuroblastoma of a patient is about 6 years. Total resection was done, but it again relapsed. So the prognosis is very bad or poor. There are lots of papers. We have consulted with the different departments of the medical colleges and modern hospitals, nursing homes, private hospitals, Apollo hospitals, Tata Medical Center. Tata Medical Center of Calcutta, and they have clearly stated that it is a case of metastatic neuroblastoma. Primary left suprarenal mass with bone marrow mets. So this is a very pathetic case, a case of metastatic neuroblastoma. They have spent a lot of rupees for this metastatic neuroblastoma. Now, what is neuroblastoma? Neuroblastoma is a malignant disease, a malignant condition commonly found in the adrenal gland. You know, my friends, over the two kidneys, there are cap-like two glands situated, known as adrenal gland, or above the renal. So suprarenal gland is also called. So tumor, which is malignant or cancerous above the suprarenal gland, is known as neuroblastoma. So it is a cancer often found in small glands, especially over the adrenal gland. It is also genetic. Neuroblastoma is caused by changes in the genes. Gene changes, also called gene variants or gene mutations. In most cases, the cause of the mutation is unknown. In some other cases, the mutation is passed from the parent to the child. Although the overall survival rate is about 75%, neuroblastoma actually claims more lives of children under the age of 5 than any other cancer. There are many different types of neuroblastoma. The worst of these grow very aggressively and have a cure rate of just 50%, my friends. Some forms of neuroblastoma may go away on their own, but other forms of neuroblastoma need treatment. Treatment in the modern medical science includes surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and also bone marrow transplantation. This child had treated all the branches of the medical sciences. So it is a cancer that starts from the adrenal gland. Now, what will our treatment, my friends? This child, let's try how much improve we can do for this poor child. There is desire for salt, chili patient, desire for ice cream, aversion to sweets. So all these symptoms go in favor of phosphorus. Patient is chidi, desire for salt, desire for ice cream, aversion to sweets, etc. And not only that, the physical makeup of the child is phosphorus. Tall, long, narrow chest, handsome looking. So we just try how to improve of this case. There is another symptom of phosphorus, fear of thunderstorm and fear of dark. So this is total picture, the total symptomatology go in favor of phosphorus. So it is a cancer, fast growing cancer, and the case is in the stage of metastatic, already declared the metastatic neuroblastoma. We do not know how far improvement we may expect from our dynamic homeopathic medicines. However, let's try by the similimum medicine, phosphorus, in the way of 50 millismol scale of potency. With the direction thrice in a day, morning, noon, and evening, my friend.